हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदित्य एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द इंडियन एल्गो। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूं इंट्राडे बेसिस पे 3 ट्रेड्स जो मैंने ली थी, जिसकी वजह से आज का मेरा प्रॉफिट है ऑलमोस्ट 6,000 रुपीज और मेरा कैपिटल है 3 लाख के आसपास। तो मैंने कहा था वेरी क्लियरली कि मैं ट्रेडिंग नहीं करने वाला हूं फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, बिकॉज प्राइस एक्शन काफी कंसोलिडेटिंग था, काफी लेथार्जिक था, इट वाज नॉट सो गुड। लेकिन अगर आप देख सकते हो, जैसे ही बजट अनाउंस हुआ उसके बाद से मार्केट थोड़े अच्छे तरीके से मूव कर रही है, ऊपर भी मूव कर रही है, नीचे भी मूव कर रही है। तो ये मुझे एक अच्छी सिचुएशन में डालता है, एक बेटर पोजीशन में डालता है कि यहाँ पे मैं ट्रेडिंग करके अपना पैसा थोड़ा बना सकता हूँ। अगर थोड़ा लॉस होता है तो मैं उसको कवर भी कर सकता हूँ। सो अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने मेरा फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो द लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, गो अहेड। सभी के कुछ रेगुलेशंस के कारण मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें यहाँ पे शेयर नहीं कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन जैसे मैंने अनाउंस किया था द इंडियन एल्गो 2025 लाइव मेंटरशिप, मैं यहाँ पे वो सारी चीजें आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ जो आपको एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर बनाने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स मैं यूज करता हूँ, डेली का ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन, डेली लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन वीडियोस मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा जब भी मैं ट्रेडिंग। उसके अलावा हम ये जानेंगे कि प्राइस कौन से लेवल पे जाना चाहिए और क्यों जाता है, कैसे जाता है, वो सारी चीजें हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। ऑल्सो इस मेंटरशिप की खास बात यह है कि आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे रीच आउट कर सकते हो, जहां पे मैं आपको एक फ्री पीडीएफ दूंगा जिसमें एक बहुत ही प्यारी स्ट्रैटेजी है बेस्ड ऑन अ टाइम, और निफ्टी में एवरी डे इट परफॉर्म्स, वो रोज काम करती है। ऑल्सो आप इस नंबर पे मेरे साथ अपने सारे डाउट्स, चार्ट्स, सब कुछ शेयर कर सकते हो फॉर फ्री एंड आई विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर यू। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो।
इस पॉइंट पे टू टैप इनटू दिस वॉल्यूम इम्बैलेंस वीकली लो, जितने अच्छे से अगर ये लो प्रोटेक्ट हो पा रहा है इस पॉइंट पे, अगर प्राइस वही उसी लो को प्रोटेक्ट करता है कंटिन्यूअसली, देन एक क्विक मोमेंटम टू द अपसाइड में देख सकता हूँ। कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है, किसी भी चीज की कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है। जैसे मैंने कहा था, जब भी प्राइस इस हाई को तोड़ता है और एक नीचे गैप होता है, बहुत हाई चांसेस होते हैं कि प्राइस नीचे मुड़ जाएगा। एंड उस वजह से मैं ऐसे लॉन्ग्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता हूँ। Now at this point I'm really looking forward to see if the prices can start supporting this, if the price can really do that, अगर प्राइस यहाँ पे इस चीज को सपोर्ट कर पाता है, इन एरियाज को सपोर्ट कर पाता है। काफी एक बढ़िया मूव हम देख सकते हैं। प्रेजेंटली प्राइस क्या करेगा देखना इंपॉर्टेंट है। जितना हम 830 ओपनिंग प्राइस के ऊपर रह पाएंगे, उतना ही एक बढ़िया एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ, अच्छी एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ मैं आगे काम कर सकता हूँ। प्राइस को इस लो को हंट नहीं करना था, प्राइस ने उस लो को हंट किया, तो अभी मेरे पास क्लैरिटी कब है, मेरे पास अभी इस चीज की क्लैरिटी है कि अगर प्राइस इस पॉइंट के ऊपर आता है तो कितनी देर वो इस वॉल्यूम इम्बैलेंस को सपोर्ट कर पा रहा है। क्योंकि अब हम इस न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप को छोड़ने की expectation रख रहे हैं। The price should leave this new week opening gap to the upside. So if that is the case, how much expectation can I keep from this new week opening gap to show me momentum? And to see that kind of expectation, wherever the price is currently, it needs to go back above this, start respecting the upper half of this fair value gap. The more the price can respect the upper half of this fair value gap, the more I will be interested in looking forward to see a trade. I will be highly interested. As you can see, it is currently doing that. So let's go for it. Okay, so got a bad entry there. Definitely the price is shot up without me. Anyway, this is the stop loss right now, and the price is shooting up pretty well. I just got in with one lot. I will let it run, and I'll trail my stop loss to the 50% of this fair value gap. I don't want to see the price come back down. We'll just watch it right now. I want to see it go up all the way, at least to the volume imbalance high at this point. So currently, It's going to be a tough, not the toughest choice, but this is the highest range. Okay, I want to see the price go up there, and we have this stop loss trailed. Stop loss has been trailed right there. I'm not going to add a position like this, but I also want to see the price stay up, majorly not fill this entirely, right? We don't want to see that fill entirely. So that's an expectation that I'll keep. All right. So the highest portion is right there. I don't think so we'll go up all the way there very easily. So we'll allow the price to show whatever it can at this point. My stop loss is presently right here. Seeing a big number, it's doing good. I'll allow it to run at least that high right there. Not going to add a position like this. 50% of the volume imbalance is where we are right now. I'll just quickly check if there isn't. So I can trail my stop loss right below this candle low. There's no reason for me to not do that. And I still want to see the price respect these areas pretty well. It should. We just tapped in there. So my stop loss right now is this level. We'll see if there is a reason for me to add a position. We'll do that. For now, I am willing to allow the price go up 50 points more. That's an extremely important condition for now. It needs to do that. If the price is able to do that, we're good to go. We can hold on to it even further. This is performing well enough. We'll see if we can see the price run for 4,000 or 4,000 at least profits. The budget day high is a good expectation for me to keep. For now, I'll just trail my stop loss once again to the lowest portion of this fair value gap. I don't want to see the price come back down and fill this fair value gap entirely. So I'll just be here sitting behind 1,700 is what I can see right now. The price have done good. There was a nice Judas swing. Price went down into the new week opening gap, shot up. There's a high right there that is buy side, and then this is buy side right there. Let's see. Yep, we should at least take this out, right? So I honestly see no problem. We'll see the price at least go for this. That is more 20 points. So that should be around 4,000 worth of move. So we'll be waiting a little bit more. Let's see if the price can give that to me today. Currently we are here. Price is shot up all the way. I would like to see it run at least 30 points more in my favor from here. It's just going to be this area, which I feel is achievable at this point because we have that high right there. So I don't see that as a problem at all. So I would like to see this push up even higher further from here. Only if I had the chance to add more positions, this would have been a better trade. This would have been really good. This still looks fine to me. We should see the price spike up more 30, 40 points. I don't see any problem to that. 2,700, 2,600. If I try to add a position here, it will be not the best thing to do. So I'm not majorly focusing there. I'm majorly focusing here to get me out of this trade. 1800. We have a pending run of almost 30 points there. It should spike up faster, quicker. The quickness should be there, should be a little, should go up like a magnet towards there. I'm not going to add any position right now. Does not make any sense. If it stays here until, let's say, 950, then I will do something about it. But until then, I'm going to wait and watch. Either we'll take the stop loss right there, or we'll take another 30 points if the markets provide us that. I feel the move is coming up on GIF Nifty. Also, we are very close to take out that buy side. And the thing is that buy side is very clean and very good. That the price has to run for it. It should run for it, right? Say it's 3,000 right now. It's almost 1% of what we can make. Three, and if the price is not taken off yet, and I would like to see it go back up. Quickly take out the buy side liquidity. Okay, it's shooting up, but all right, yeah, that's what I was talking about. We should see. Yeah, there we go. Should be a little okay. Oh, not good. Yeah, the type of volatility I don't like when it's showing you profits, but just decides to not go for it entirely. So it went very close to 4,000. That means it was very close to a good number of points, but couldn't give me a follow up. Sorry. So we're still waiting. And okay, the way the numbers are falling down, it's not good because it can just decide to shoot down all the way, and that will just ruin all the gains that we had. Currently, I'm just looking at this fair value gap. I really want to see this fair value gap support. If we can see a support of this, we're good to go. If not, then we'll have to wait. This is where the price are, the volume imbalance 50%. I would like to see I would like to see the price use this as a bullish order block now. If we can do that, we'll be in a very good position. So I want to see the prices go back up above here, above that opening price. That's where the move will be good. Why am I staying in this trade still is because of, so at this point, I don't want to see the price drop down into the fair value gap all the way. If it does that, then it's not of any use. If it does that, then it's of not of any use. We want to see the price. Okay, we're very close to seeing a good run higher, but I don't see a follow-up. It's a little concerning, but we'll wait. We'll wait some more time. I feel we can capture something out of this trade, which is going to be which is going to be a good move. It's running well, but it's unable to gather the strength or the power to push. I like the way it's supporting this fair value gap. The more it can support this fair value gap, the better chances we'll have to see the prices go back up. So we don't really want to see that fail. So we'll allow the price to go up from here. So I've trailed my stop loss all the way. I don't like the way that these areas are resisting the price. So I want to see the price respect that FVG and really allow the prices to continue go higher. So this has traded through. I want to see the price really support this opening price. If the price can do that, that is a good order block. And if the price supports it really well, then we'll very easily see these equal highs go up. Price will take out this buy side there, and it will be a very good run for us to see. I want to see it support as much as it can. If it can do it, we should see a good spike up. Currently, the price are just hovering around our buy side liquidity. That's not good. Most of the time, it does reverse back down, and that's going to be very problematic. See, we're at it's 950 right now. The move was good. We couldn't take any partials because we couldn't add any positions. And currently, the prices are just trying to fall back down into this. Yep, this can be a little problematic, but we really want to see the price support this fair value gap. Equal highs right there, and that buy side liquidity. Everything is presented to us. This should be a move that should push higher. Mm, okay, maybe it's gathering resistance once again, and that can be a little problematic because if it's high resistance at this point, if the market conditions are still high resistance, we'll have a tough time trying to trade or hold on to this because it will then come back down and then go up later on. So on the other hand, I wanted something that should really just spike up. I feel we are trading in the direction of the weekly candlestick, so that should not be the problem. This spike gave us almost 3,800. That means the move was good. Once the price tries to break out of that high once again, I will very likely collapse that trade. I'm not adding any positions yet because adding at this point is going to be the worst case scenario, wherein you'll take a drawdown here and this also the earlier position also starts going down in a drawdown. So I don't want to do that. On the other hand, I want to see it quickly go back up. If this starts falling and I see uh like I see almost 500 rupees, I will take that. I really want to see this fair value gap support here. It should not break. That's very important for this order flow to sustain. If we can continue to do that, we see the price run there. That would be a good opportunity to exit. If not, then maybe 700, 800 profit is where I will try to book this trade. Hmm. This should have spiked up till now. As we are in the macro, we're above the 50% of the volume imbalance. Obviously, there needs to be some consolidation, but if the price can leave the stay open, that will make it very powerful. Because whenever the price leaves gaps open at equilibrium, that is a confirmation that something good is going to happen. I don't see that something good yet. Bullish order block still supporting the prices though. If this turns into a, if this is a true order block for us, we'll definitely see something higher, but this is wasting a lot of time. Sorry. Mm, all right, so I will be ready to exit this trade around 500 or 700 something. If I don't see it quick, go back up quickly. There's some rejection right away. Okay. Mm, I want to see it stay above this fair value gap. I don't want to see this go down once again. This is where I'll take a decision to close this trade maybe. Not going to be happy about it. I want to see it stay above the 50% of this fair value gap majorly for me to consider this a good opportunity to still hold on to the trade. It may want to drop down once again and then go up, but I'm not interested in for that. Yep, this looks like it wants to continuously go lower once again. I have to make a choice here. If we don't see the price respect this, it will be a problem. If we do see the price respected, we'll very quickly see the price leave this area at this point. As you can see, it's not trying to respect that. Okay. All right, so it's time for me to collapse the trade. Doesn't feel good here. All right, let it go up if it wants to. That would be a very good push down. I feel another push is going to take place. All right, I've entered the trade and 20, that is my stop loss. This is going to be my stop loss right now, as we've already tapped into this area. Mm, Needs to resist from here right away to push lower. Price continues to go back up. Yep, that's where I would like to keep my stop loss right now. We'll see how is it willing to perform. As we are into the macro, I would like to see it resist that area quickly from that 5-minute FVG. Still push lower. To go lower, the price has to show a bigger run down below this FVG. Needs to really do that at this point. This is going to be my stop loss right now. Okay. I need to see this break down into this level, right? One more push down, and that's where I will collapse this trade. Okay. Did not give me 3,200 or something like that, but fine.